Hi everyone, I Deepak welcome you in today's video. It is said that learning is not a child's play. We cannot learn it without pain. So in order to be an effective speaker, you know what, that we need to learn basic communication. So through this video, you are going to learn short sentences which will help you to understand where and how to use exact words. So without much ado, let's get started. Number one sentence is मैं समझ गया. It means that I see. You will translate this sentence I see. मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ. I opine so. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. क्या ये आपका है? Is it yours? आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. शांत रहो. Keep mum. आज कपकपाती ठंड है. It is shivering today. अपने मन की बात कहो. Speak your mind. जुबान पर लगाम दो. Hold your tongue. हताश मत हो. Don't be desperate. अपनी बात रखो. Have your say. Aren't these sentences are wonderful? I hope that you're liking all the sentences. So start bringing these sentences in your communication. The next one is क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है. ये बहुत एक ऐसा सेंटेंस है जो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग यूज़ करते हैं. क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है. Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? एक तरफ हो जाओ. Please move aside. Please move aside. उसका घुटना छिल गया है. You will say this like this. His knee has grazed. His knee has grazed. कपड़ों को कील पर टांग दो. Hang the clothes on the nail. Hang the clothes on the nail. तुम्हारा डरना जायज है. Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. अपने मन के वहम को दूर करो. Clarify your misconception. Clarify your misconception. मैं माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I apologize. I apologize. किसी दिन घर आओ. Come over someday. Come over someday. The next one is इसे अपना घर समझिए. When any guest or any friend comes to your house, so you can say this to them. इसे अपना घर समझिए. And how to say this in English? Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. तुमने मुझे जानबूझ के धक्का दिया. This sentence is being spoken like if you are traveling by bus or train, or like if you are standing in a queue. So this sentence is spoken so much. So how to say this in English? You pushed me on purpose. You pushed me on purpose. Here जानबूझकर के लिए we use one phrase that is on purpose. मुझ पर गुस्सा मत हो. This is also such sentence that this is being spoken widely by so many. So you will say this sentence like this. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. The next one is तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है. When you really want to know from someone that what they are up to or what is their intention. So instead of saying intention, you can say like this. What are you up to? What are you up to? मूर्तियाँ खंडित हो गई हैं. This is related to what temple, like everyone has a temple at home. So sometime what exactly happens that जो मूर्तियाँ होती हैं वो खंडित हो जाती हैं. So this is the kind of word like sometime we get stuck in English if you really want to say this meaning into English. So how will you say this? You will say the idols have got fragmented. The idols have got fragmented. So मूर्तियाँ खंडित होने के लिए आप यूज़ करेंगे fragmented. द लास्ट वन इज़ उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब आपको ये लगता है कि जैसे कोई इंडिविजुअल है और वो उसे समझाना बेकार है बिकॉज ही हैज़न गॉट सो मच वॉट सेंसिबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. सो देयर यू विल यूज दिस सेंटेंस. नो नीड टू कन्विंस हिम. No need to convince him. So this brings us what to end of this video. I hope that you have liked these sentences. So now I want each one of you to use these sentences in your day-to-day communication. I personally feel that these sentences will give you a kind of boost, and it will give you a kind of confidence. So try to use these sentences, and meanings are really important. I always try to give and put those meanings in sentences which are really vital in our communication. So use this meaning in sentences and try to use it as much as you can. So with this I sign off, and thank you so much for being with me on this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.